Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala. Today is 21st of the September 2023. I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Anugrah Narayan Magad Medical College. We are here with a set of 5 questions of Ancient Indian History, chapter number 8 of NCERT textbook. Let us start with the questions of the day. Today is 20th September 2023, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala, and today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Question number 1. River Saraswati in Rig Veda has been identified as A. Nadi Tarna, B. Gaggar Hakra, C. Sindhu, D. Pravara. Consider the following. Question number 2. Consider the following statements about Rig Veda. 1. It is earliest text of the Indo-European languages. 2. It is collection of prayers offered to Agni, Indra, Mitra, Varuna and other gods. 3. It consists of 10 mandals or books. Of the above statements, all these statements are correct. B. 2 statements are correct. C. 1 statement is correct. D. All the statements are incorrect. Question number 3. Regarding Aryans, consider the following statements. 1. Their society was male dominated. 2. Horse played the most significant role in their life. 3. The domesticated horses appears in the 6th century, 6th millennium BC in the Black Sea and the Ural mountain area. Of the above, A. 1 statement is correct. B. 2 statements are incorrect. 1 statement is incorrect. 2 statements are incorrect. 3 statements are incorrect. D. None of the statements are incorrect. Question number 4. The Sioux in the Rig Veda represent the original inhabitants of the country. B. Aryan chief. C. Merchants of the period. D. Village headman. Question number 5. Aryans succeeded everywhere because they possessed chariots. The Aryan soldiers were equipped with coats of mail or vermin and better arms. C. Both the above. D. None of the above. So these are the 5 questions of the day. Kindly solve these questions, and these little steps of solving questions, searching their answers from the textbook, shall ultimately enable you people to develop the basic understanding of the topics and ability to analyze the topics, which is the real demand of the UPSC Civil Services main examination, that is the real examination, and we have to work for the main examination. Preliminary examination and personality test will be absorbed in the preparation of the main examination itself. And from 1st of October I shall be with the 5 questions of current affairs and 2 questions, 2 essay type questions per week will be given by me to my students. And from the month of January I will be teaching you some selected topics, some high value topics which are really difficult to understand and that demands special classes for the same. I will be offering those classes to all my students and those who are watching me on YouTube. Therefore, never miss these classes, and these simple things will ultimately enable you to an extraordinary place in the final list of the selected candidates of UPSC Civil Services examination. So, solve these questions and stay relaxed and have faith in your selection, have faith in your work, because we get the result of our faith and action. Action without faith is useless, and so is faith without action. Combined influence of faith and action generates the real progress in all areas of life. So go ahead. Jai Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala, Jai Patna, Jai Bihar, Jai India.